How to download videos from private channels on Telegram. First thing you have to do is simply head over to your Telegram app and make sure that you are logged in. Then from here, you're going to have to find the private channel from where you want to download the video. So as you can see here, I have a private channel and here are some photos and videos. So if you want to download any photos and videos from your private channel, the process is quite simple. You do the same thing as you do with other chats or channels. So you just have to tap and hold on the video, and then from here you have an forward option. But if you want to download the video completely to your gallery, you just have to tap on the three dots at the top right of the video, and then here you have an option to save to gallery. Or if you want to save it to downloads on Telegram, you can do that as well. So just tap on the video. And then from here, you just have to tap on the three lines at the top right. And then simply tap on save to gallery. This is the method on how you can save the video to your gallery from private channel on Telegram. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.